Hey guys, this is how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. So let's get into it and fix this error. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your Snapchat and now click on your profile icon at the very top left corner, and now simply scroll down and then click to open my friends, and here you will see all of your friends. So here simply click on the three dots at the top right corner. So from here you can remove the unwanted friends from your friend list of your Snapchat. For this, click on manage friendship and then click on the remove friend. You can repeat this process for all of your unwanted friends. Right after that, simply tap and hold on your Snapchat app, then click on app info. Now click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache first, then click on clear storage and then OK. So right after that, you can uninstall your Snapchat app and then open your Play Store, and then with a stable internet connection try to install an updated version of your Snapchat. Right after that, it will make you able to add more and more friends in your Snapchat. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes sense for you. Thanks for watching.